Alright, I figured out iOS 13 and later you can zoom your screen by hitting settings, scroll down to accessibility, zoom, and then zoom on or off. So here you use 3 fingers to activate the zoom or not activate the zoom. So you can read here, drag 3 fingers around, double tap 3 fingers to drag and change the zoom. So it's one for let's see. Then you can zoom in and out. Choose the filter, inverted. Choose filter, grayscale. Zoom out. I'm double tapping, triple tapping with the 3 fingers. So I gotta turn my filter off. Use 3 fingers to drag around the screen. Triple tap to zoom in and zoom out. No filter. So, wow, maximum zoom level down here. You have the change your